Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 21 Main Street, Leuchars. This is a special one and I cannot wait to show you this stunning 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage on a fantastic plot size. You've got these gorgeous landscape gardens, driveway, garage, your own barbecue hut. Stepping inside, you've got 4 bedrooms, 2 of which are on the lower level, 2 bathrooms, a gorgeous open plan family kitchen diner, utility space, and then also a gorgeous living room with your own log burner. The attention to detail with this home is just beautiful. Wait until you see the location as well. You have amenities, commuting links, schooling, all in your doorstep, along with countryside walks. It really is a home that ticks all the boxes, and I know you're going to love this one. So enough teasing, let's head inside, start the tour. As always, keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is just a sneak peek at your garden. I'm obviously going to show you inside first, and then we'll work our way outside, and I'm going to show you all the different areas of your garden for you to just enjoy the sun. And it is fantastic that you're seeing it on a day like today to give you an idea of how you can just relax and unwind in your outdoor garden space. Now you have 2 access points into the property. First one is this door just here, so if you were coming from your driveway you can access this. But then you do have, just beyond this gate here, another access point coming off of Main Street. So you have 2 entrances into your property. Now coming in this way, we have your entrance hallway. As always, we're going to start upstairs and work our way down. But this gives you an idea just of the quality of this home from your solid wood doors. You've got Candine flooring throughout, so it really is quality. We're going to head upstairs, so you have 2 bedrooms on the upper level, and just look at how bright this is. What a welcome to your upper landing. We're going to go into main bedroom, fantastic size. You've got plenty of space in here for all of your bedroom furniture, while also being really practical with all of these fitted wardrobes. And I love this perfectly positioned dressing table, because it gives you views over the hill. So you've got gorgeous countryside views. That is also a little sneak peek at your barbecue hut. But isn't this a fantastic size? You've got so much room in this bedroom, and it's got such a lovely feel to it as well. Your same quality doors throughout. Bedroom number 2, brilliant size. And again, you have the same views from this window. You could mirror next door and put another dressing table just there if you wish, but again you have ample floor space and then further storage in the eaves just there. So brilliant size room, and again storage just here. And then we're back out into your upper landing, and look at that for the sun shining in. It is amazing. And then we'll head downstairs. So you have 2 bedrooms on this level. And do you know what I also love is the deep windowsills, because you can almost even just imagine a window, little seat there, perhaps some books, some cushions. Now this is a further bedroom, currently being utilised as a home office, study, music room, but you can see that it would easily fit a double or king bed in this space. And what's great with this one is you just have the outlook over your garden, so really private as well. And it is so peaceful. The windows open, you can just hear the birds. It is amazing. Storage just in this cupboard just here. And then what's great, if you have this bedroom, you have a bathroom just here. So really contemporary finish. You have your vanity unit, wash hand basin, WC, so plenty of storage. Then you have your family bath with shower overhead and a heated towel rail. What's great as well is you have that floor to ceiling wet wall, so really easy to maintain and clean. So that is one of your bathrooms. But then, as I say, this is your long entranceway. So this is your final bedroom, and again, brilliant size. And that's what's great about this home, is you just make the rooms work for you and your family, whether you need 4 bedrooms, whether you want to create a dressing room, home office, study, children's playroom, you just make it work for you. But I love how contemporary this home is, but we've got the little quirks where you've got the little window, you've got the exposed, obviously wood, you've got storage just in the corner just there. But it's so charming that you've got the cottage character while still being really contemporary. Another great window as well, definitely utilise that, because again it is just overlooking your garden, so it's really private. Then you have an additional shower room, so again contemporary finish. You have wash hand basin, vanity unit, heated towel rail. It's great that you've got the lights on the mirror as well, and then your large enclosed shower, recently done as well, so that is again a good standard. And then this is really what I would call the heart of the home. You step up into this fantastic space. It's just incredible. You've got so much room in here for socialising, entertaining, family and friends. So it ticks the box of being practical, but also being beautiful as well. You can see just how much cabinet and worktop space you have. You have all of this. Then you have this area over here. So it's integrated freezer and fridge, integrated microwave. Then as you head round, you have a dishwasher, and then of course not forgetting the great big range style cooker. And even just that in itself is a feature. I absolutely love this kitchen, really in keeping with the cottage feel. But again, it's contemporary, it's thought through because you have ample plug sockets. So this is just fantastic. Hopefully by now you're envisioning yourself in this space, family, friends. It is just amazing. Really practical as well, because out of sight, out of mind, just behind this door here is where you have this utility space. So it houses the boiler and then your washing machine, tumble dryer, etc. But it's a great addition to have. It's like a boot room come utility, but you can just close the door and then you are not eaten into your social space. So that is really practical. But look at this, I absolutely love it. And then your living room, if you're wondering where that is, through this door just here. And this is your living room. Isn't this gorgeous? It's got such a lovely feel to this space. And again, I love the attention to detail. So you have your log burner, gorgeous feature sitting there. You've even got this as well, and you've got your downlighter, you've got the exposed beam, so it's got beautiful character to it. I almost feel like I am sat in Pitlochry somewhere. It's just gorgeous. And then you're not even overlooked, nice and private, and that's just almost a courtyard area just there. But isn't this amazing? Brilliant space, family. And then as I say, it just runs through into your kitchen diner, and it's the same Candine flooring throughout, so it really is quality. But just imagine yourself unwinding in these spaces. Now your other access point to the property is this door here that brings you in directly into your kitchen. So you have this courtyard area. This is Main Street just here. So you can park on the main road if you wish, but there's no need to because you have your own driveway. So you've just got this courtyard area just here, but you've got your fully enclosed garden through this gate just there. So that is really practical as well. But it's great that you do have this addition because you can just nip straight out and you can get to everything on your doorstep. So that is your 2 access points into the property. Now I'm going to show you all of your garden space and talk you through all the different zones. But isn't this just a beautiful home? Not a thing that you need to do, just move in and really start enjoying it. And speaking of enjoying it, you get to step out and you have this fantastic addition of your own barbecue hut. Look at that. Isn't this just incredible? Full power. And look, isn't this brilliant? You know that your house is going to be the place to be when you've got friends coming over, family, even the little ones. This is a brilliant addition, and it's still got that same feel as your living room where you feel like you're in Pitlochry somewhere, you're out in the country. But you can imagine the heat that will come off this, and what a brilliant addition to have. And yes, as I say, there is power. So you've got your bar behind there because you've got your fridge and you've got your TV. So you've got all of that. And then this, isn't this just fantastic? Even just imagine at Christmas, This will be brilliant at Christmas. So yeah, this is yours as well. And isn't it just so pretty? And you've got all of this area for mature shrubs and plants. And the sun is hitting us perfectly today, so that gives you an insight. But this is a beautifully landscaped garden. So as a reminder, this is where you had your access from that courtyard area. You've got your wood storage as well, but you've got more mature shrubs and plants. You've got a little water feature, but it's a fully enclosed garden, so brilliant if you do have young family or pets. All of this landscaped area. But the home is just beautiful, and I love the black accents from your windows and your doors because it's all new throughout. Not a thing that you need to do, as I say. All of this area is yours, so ideal for just pottering. And then, as I say, this is all yours as well. So another perfectly positioned seating area, laid to lawn. You've got mature shrubs and plants. You then have this area, almost feels like you're stepping into a beer garden as well. So you've got this patio area. That's a reminder that that was one of the bedrooms that we were in as well. So this is a fantastic bit. And again, you don't feel overlooked. It is so, so private. And then this is all yours. So this is where we started the video, down here. More mature shrubs and plants. You've got some gorgeous colours. All of this. Something else as well. So yes, you do have a garage. However, if it's something that interests you, there is chickens. So whether that be something you'd be looking to explore, you do actually have space for your own chickens. So that just gives you an idea of the plot size. The fact that you've got all of this garden, a garage, a driveway, and your own chicken coop. So this is all of yours. And then this is your driveway and your garage. So you can get the car right back. You've got your completely detached garage just there, and then this is your access onto your driveway and into your garden. So as I say, fully enclosed. Access coming along Norman View. And you come in, and this is all yours. And as I say, you can just hear the birds in the background. It is fantastic. And a brilliant driveway size as well. Easily get 4 vehicles on here. So this is all of 21. Let's do a recap. So that was the personal property tour for 21 Main Street, Leuchars. I told you were going to be spot with this one. What more could you ask for your next home? This is stunning. 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage. 2 of your bedrooms are on the lower level. You've got ample storage throughout. 2 really contemporary bathrooms. That fantastic open plan kitchen diner with all of your integrated appliances, plus the really practical addition of your utility space. Then you've got that really lovely living room with your log burner. This home is beautiful, incredible attention to detail, not a thing that you need to do. And then you get to step outside to this beautifully landscaped garden that is a fantastic size, fully enclosed, really private. You've got your own barbecue hut, you've got the large driveway, you've got the garage, not forgetting the chicken coop as well. So it really is a home that ticks all the boxes. Location, I'm sure you've heard of the birds in the background as we've gone throughout this tour. It is fantastic. Everything on your doorstep you could possibly need. You have amenities within Leuchars, you have the primary school, you have the train station if you're looking to commute to Dundee, Edinburgh or beyond. Likewise, you could just take a short drive to Dundee also, just over the bridge. Speaking of a short drive, you also have St Andrews on your doorstep because you are in a KY16 postcode, so you are in the catchment for Madras, for secondary schooling. Likewise, St Andrews is the home of golf, the university, leisure facilities, 5 Coastal Path, East Sands Beach. You really do have everything on your doorstep while being tucked on this private, fantastic size plot with this beautiful home. What more could you ask for? To get further details, you can either click the link, message me directly, or call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie, 5 Properties, take care.